So in Aotearoa, we are so fortunate to come from a country that produces the best food on the planet. And we take time during this year to celebrate the producers of food, the hands that prepare our meals, and the environment from where our food comes from. And that environment is connected to 4 stars within the Matariki cluster. Tipuānuku, food from the earth. Tipuārangi, food from trees above our heads and from the forest. Waitī, food from fresh water. Waitā, food from the oceans. These stars are collectively known as ngā whetu herikai, or the stars that bring the essence or the bounty of food. And this year's theme is Matariki herikai, celebrate Matariki through feasting, through food, and coming together to share a meal. Mā noa tia Matariki.